పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ నడుం బిగించాలని ఓఎన్జీసీ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ డైరెక్టర్ డి శాంతాను దాసు పిలుపునిచ్చారు. రాజమండ్రి ఏవీఏ రోడ్డులో ఓఎన్జీసీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఆదివారం భారీ ర్యాలీని జెండా ఊపి ప్రారంభించారు. కార్యక్రమానికి ఆ సంస్థ ఈడీ శాంతాను దాసు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా పాల్గొని ప్రసంగించారు. ఎంప్లాయీస్, ఎస్పీఎఫ్ ఉద్యోగులు పర్యావరణాన్ని కాపాడుకోవాలంటూ పెద్ద ఎత్తున నినాదాలు చేశారు. అనంతరం ఏవీఏ రోడ్డు నుంచి ఓఎన్జీసీ బేస్ కాంప్లెక్స్ వరకు ప్లకార్డులతో ర్యాలీ నిర్వహించారు. ఈ వాగ్దాన్లో ఉద్యోగులు, కేవీ విద్యార్థులు, ఎస్పీఎఫ్ సిబ్బంది పాల్గొన్నారు.
Saksham is an initiative by the Petroleum Conservation Research Association under Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to conserve the fuel and energy. Saksham means Sanrakshan Samta Mahotsav, and everybody of all of us knows that nowadays it is more of the energy, the consumption is increasing, and the theme is more towards a greener and cleaner energy. And the theme for this year is cleaner environment through green and clean energy. As we are all fully aware, the changes in the environment, changes in temperature that is happening all across the globe, and the world is concerned about it. So is the India getting affected, and it is towards that for a sustainable future of our next generation, for the humanity, that the initiative is taken so that we are more conscious about the energy conservation and usage of energy in a sustainable manner. And ONGC in its effort is organizing various events for the Saksham month celebration as directed by the Government of India through various activities involving the local communities, schools, colleges, ONGCians all across Rajamundry asset. And today's walkathon is part of that only, that we are here to work for this noble cause of conserving the energy and fuel, and to create the awareness and about everybody among, so that we are more conscious about the usage of energy, about the consumption and conservation of energy. So ONGC is also doing a lot of things for the greener energy. We have at Rajamundry our portfolio of the solar energy at Tatipaka as well as in our Rajamundry base complex, and more such activities are coming up. As far as the ONGC is concerned, we have in our portfolio huge solar energy, wind energy, and very recently ONGC has formed a joint venture company and a company on green energy itself, and we are acting much faster rate for fulfilling the target of the Government of India of 500 gigawatts of greener energy by 2030. ONGC has put a target of 10 gigawatt of energy to achieve that, and we are confident that we will be able to make it. So let us work together right today towards that cause, that we are fully aware of the energy consumption, energy conservation, and about our environment. Thank you.